people. Sometimes, like now I'm alone. My son is in school. So sometimes you have no one to talk to. So I decided, why can't I open the live and I chat a bit before cooking time starts. I am new, Amani Abdul Razak. I am new here. Welcome to this family, Amani. Here we do mostly cooking lives, but today I've decided to come live before the cooking time. Pole sana, hizo kati zitapona. Haziko mgonjwa. I was giving an example. I was giving, they are not sick. They are sleeping, waiting for the feeding time. Wanangoja time. They are waiting for the time to feed. These are how many here? 6, 7. Oh, the other one 8. There is one here behind me. I didn't see. There is one here. There is one here. And there is one here. Then one is sleeping in the bedroom. Yeah, there are 6. I don't know if you can see 3, 4, 5, and the white one up there 6. Then there is this one 7. This one 7. There's this one here 8. Leo uko wapi? Niko kwa nyumba kwa sitting room. Then the one is sleeping in the bedroom. Guys, give the live a like. Give the live a like, guys. Give the live a like. Nitakuja live ya saa 3 bando. Benster. I usually come even at 9 p.m. Today I was live in the morning breakfast. Then will come another one at 9 p.m. cooking live. 9 p.m. Niko tu kwa nyumba. Benster Mendia, uko mtu hapa? Uko mtu hapa wapi? Uko mtu hapa wapi? Martin Kamau, I love cats also. Thank you for loving. Thank you. Mtu hapa wapi? Mtu hapa wapi? Thank you for the hearts. Thank you. Let me like the live. Thank you. Guys, give the live a like. Give the live a like. We'll be ending this live soon. We'll be ending this live soon so that I can come live again at 9. Cooking time. Thank you guys for joining. Thanks so much. Thank you for joining, guys. Thank you for joining. Hii sijui nitoe. Hii kitu sionangi nasaidia. It is too soft to be on a jacket of jeans, jeans. Shiro, thank you for the love. Thank you. Is it cold there? Yes, it's cold. Martin, is cold. I'm in Mombasa and it's cold. Mombasa is a bit cold. Cremo Centros, kuna Dolphin Coast. Yes, kuna dolphin ukikuja, kuna watu watakupeleka kwenda kuona dolphins. Dolphin. Kuna dolphin. Wanakuwa haraka. Wanakuwa haraka sana.